Holy smokes, personal best. There we go. Fishing for bass in Southwest Florida during the summer can be the same thing as self-torture. Today, August 21st, 2022, Naples, Florida, temperatures reached 105 degrees with the normal Florida summertime humidity. Bass don't bite when day after day the water temperature gets hotter and hotter. But me, the Florida fish head, like a dope head, can't seem to stop trying to fish for these lethargic bass. I may go 2 to 3 days without a single bite, but then unexpectedly, there's Big Larry that comes along and this happens. Stay tuned for my personal best, fat Florida largemouth bass. Holy smokes, personal best. Oh, it's not a bad one either. He's fighting though, and his bass is fighting. Oh, no. Man, that's frustrating. Frustrating. Well, set the hook a little too hard on that one. This worm's about had it. They'll still hit it. Right there, staring right at me. You gotta watch these things, man. If you're in Florida fishing, they're slick. He thinks he's slick because I've been keeping an eye on him since I walked up, but he's staring right at me. And they'll, as soon as you catch a bass, they'll come running after you. Several times it's happened to me. You can't fish around them. I got a very good chance if I catch a bass, he's gonna come swimming over here. Yeah, there's a bunch of... Ooh, something just grabbed it. No. Look at him. See? He's just a baby, but... I mean, there's really no use. If he gets any closer, I'm just gonna leave because there's no use of fishing because he's just gonna ruin it. And you can't fish topwater around them. They'll go after your frogs, your anything you throw. Look at him. He's sneaking because he knows. They're a nuisance to me. I don't like them. I do not like them. But then again, I'm a fisherman. They could do away to Florida gator. I would not be mad. They're baby eaters, dog eaters, children eaters. They'll eat big humans too if they're big enough and hungry enough. Oh, it's a big bass. Man, he took off with that worm. This is a big bass. Oh, this is a tank. Holy smokes, personal best. Personal best. Personal best. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't believe, oh my God. Oh my God. I gotta get a picture of this dude. Man, I had him hooked good. Wow, I can't believe I just did this. Man, I'm sorry, dude. Hold on, it's coming. Okay, don't swallow it. All right, look at... Jesus, look at that guy. Get a picture.
Wow.
That's a big one.
Beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
Take a picture?
Oh yeah.
What is it?
That's a bass. Thank you. Look at the mouth on this guy. Oh, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let me get this timer on. I'll put them back. Personal best. I just started bass fishing a year ago. Man, this pig. Look at that pig. Ah. Is that when you get up early and fish in spots you're not supposed to? All right, buddy. Hey, you go and grow twice this size. I ain't gonna kill you. It's not how I do things. Look at that pig. Look at him. Oh, is it? Oh, you stupid. What is this? Oh, it's a baby bass. Baby bass. That's a fat little bass. I thought it was a Mayan cichlid. It's a little guy. All right. Personal best. Personal best. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't believe. Oh my God. Oh my God. I gotta get a picture of this dude. Man, I had him hooked good. Wow, I can't believe I just did this. Man, I'm sorry, dude. Hold on, it's coming. Okay, don't swallow it. All right. There we go.